Hey.
What's up, YouTubians? Gary here with VW Jawbreaker. Welcome back. Sorry I missed Wednesday's video. Things have been a little hectic. If you count 2 weeks from today is the Pasco County Bug Jam down here in Florida. It's a big event, a lot of fun, tons of cars. I think last year was around 750 Volkswagens. Awesome weekend event. So we are currently 2 weeks away. We got the 1915 case finally back, so we got to get that back together so we can go on the secret project for Bug Jam that I'm working on with a friend of mine. Let's see. And there's been a lot of upgrades to the Jawbreaker. Let's back it outside and I'll show you what we've done. Alright, it's really windy today, so hopefully the wind doesn't mess up too much. So if you remember about a month or two ago, we installed a 4-inch narrowed adjustable front beam. I'm not running drop spindles. That's the lowest the front can go, which is fine. But the ass end really stuck up a lot. So I went ahead and adjusted the rear, another spline. And those are 195 65 15 tires in the back that actually fit and tuck up there really nice. So I kind of like that stance better. It's not too low. I can still drive around, you know, definitely not dragging the pan or anything, which I don't want to do because I do drive this car and use this car. Now I did not have time, like I said, to record the dropping of the rear. There's plenty of videos out there, calculators and whatnot, to kind of, you know, give you an idea of inner and outer splines, what you'll get. So just be careful, have fun. As for the inside upgrade, inside we put some leather seats out of a Mini Cooper. That's right. It is comfy. Lumbar support. The seats go up, down, back, forth, flip, forward. What a difference. These things are amazingly comfortable, and I scored them for a heck of a good deal. Again, did not record it. A, due to time. B, there's multiple ways to do it. Just find yourself a nice safe way. Not to mention this is a 73, so the front actually has a center point, if you will, like a triangle. I'll insert a picture. And that actually had to be cut out. Luckily, there was no hole in the pan. It's kind of pressed, or not pressed in, but a secondary piece, so it's pretty easy. But I definitely feel safe the way I mounted them, the way I did them. I feel safe having my son or my family in the car, and that's what's most important. The nice thing about those seat upgrades, I actually fit better in the car now. Go figure. Anyway, like I said, there's lots of ways to skin a cat. There's lots of ways to lower your rear, install seats, and all that nature. Again, my idea of safety may not be of someone else's idea of safety. A lot of the times I do things overkill. It's one of those things that you have to decide what's best for you, what method works best for you, and move on. I can definitely say that I feel safe putting my son or family in the car and driving around, and that's what matters to me. Anyway, hope you guys have an awesome week. I'll try to record some footage. A lot going on in the next 2 weeks, so stay tuned. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. It's Sunday, so it's time to go inside and spend some time with my birthday boy. Take care, guys. Be good.